can't believe it. It's the 4th of July. Okay. Well, you know what? Robert's not gonna find me. I'm just gonna stay in bed all day. Maybe I'll light off my smoke bombs and all my smoke stuff on another day. We can just bond another day, because he'll undoubtedly notice, but I don't want to get killed today. So I'm just gonna stay in bed all day. And hey, Jim, guess what day it is? What? Robert, how'd you get in my bed? Never mind that, Jim. Do you have any idea what day it is today? Yeah, it's the 4th. Oh! Hey, Jim, you know what? I know it's July, Robert. Yeah, guess what? We're here. Yeah, look at it, Jim. Come on. You already know the drill. Oh, Jim, they're making you sign a form that says you're liable for damages. Yeah, I know, Robert. We gotta be responsible this time. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be liable for millions. Look, Jim, Phantom Fireworks promotes safety first. See, it's for people like you who are concerned. Yeah, that's pretty good, Robert. I'm glad we can actually not have to worry about stuff, you know. Oh yeah, I got you. See, look, Jim, this store is crowded. 50% off all fireworks. Here you go. Look, you want the discounts? Here's the discounts. Oh, look at it. Look at all the good things you can get over here at Phantom Fireworks. Are you seeing this? Yeah, see, Robert, sometimes I think you can be a bit savage, but even I have to admit the fact that you get buy one, get two free deals, it's kind of insane. I mean, I can't believe it. Yeah, Jim, let me tell you something. You get the soda pop, you get the Apache fire dance, you get the Savage, everything 50% off. Buy one, get two free, up to $149.99 up to with your purchase of a t-shirt. Phantom Night Owl, Jim, come on. Jim, look, you got plenty of vehicles to deal with. Robert, I don't want any more tanks this year. Come on. 4th of July should be fun for everybody. Do you even know what the 4th of July is celebrating? Yeah, Phantom Fireworks. Come on, Jim, keep up. Oh, it's American independence. What the hell is that? Never mind. Yeah, come on, Jim, help me carry this. Jesus, you talk so much, you're not carrying your weight. Around here, this store's packed. Come on. Get this fucking pickup truck out of my way. Come on. Hey, look, it's the Bada Bing, Bada Boom Rockets. What? No, Robert, I don't think that's what this is. Don't tell me how Phantom Fireworks works, Jim. No, Robert, stop. There. How do you like that? That's what you get when you have attitude, Jim. Did you hear what the song said on the radio? No. It said, touching your girlfriend's pretzel. Robert, that's... what are you talking about? You're talking about this, Jim. Your arm's coming off. Oh. Now this is the aisle you want to be in, Jim. You see these prices? You think that's a lot. You remember the deals. 50% off everything in the store. Huh? 50% off. Come on, Jim. You want to know barely legal? Look, it is the real Phantom AR platform rifles. Come on, Jim. Robert, I don't know how you can even concentrate in here. I mean, the deals. Look, Jim. We're at the center of the universe. You can't be so negative all the time. You got a panoramic finale. And if you don't learn to enjoy yourself, I'm going to give you a panoramic finale for your life. What? Robert, that's not cool. Look, Home to Willow Spectacular. 9 shots. I'm gonna give you 9 shots. Jim, the deal's over at Phantom Fireworks here at your local Phantom Fireworks over here. They're so good, you can see the aliens. What? Yeah, you can see the aliens. Come on, Jim. Aren't you paying attention? Yeah, I'm paying attention, Robert, but it's just an advertisement for these fireworks. What are you talking about? Lighting up the backyards of America from coast to coast. Hey, I gotta admit, Robert, this place is pretty cool. Yeah, I told you, Jim. Come on, you gotta enjoy the 4th of July. The 4th of July is the only time. Robert, you don't need to get so close. The 4th of July is such a good time to light up the backyards of America from coast to coast. You know, they got new items here, Jim. I don't think you're understanding quite just what's happening. Look at this, Jim. A wicked pissa. Robert, that sounds kind of inappropriate. I mean, don't kids come here? Jim, do you see any kids here? Huh? Look at. Yeah, I saw some early. Robert, you're twisting me too far. Yeah, Jim, look all around. 360 degrees. 360 degrees, Jim. Robert, stop. It hurts. 360 degrees. Just stay there until you learn your lesson. Wow, Robert, this one is 1st Infantry Division. You know, I know all about that because I was in combat. Yeah, Jim, no you weren't. You're the epitome of stolen valor. Let me show a punk like you some real education here. This is the big red one. This is for people who are really in the army or not. You know, you could buy it anyways. It's pretty cool. What are you talking about, Robert? Yeah. Hey, listen. Jim, there's so many here. It's only $119.99. Well, why don't we just do it? Let's just get it. See, I think they agree. Robert, there's no way we're going to get through this aisle. Oh yeah, Jim. Hold on, you just believe in the star power? Come on. Crack the sky, essence of fire, raging Rottweilers, Christmas in July. Come on, Jim. We're gonna get through this. Okay, everyone moved out the way. We made it. With our Mega Mojo. See, Robert, here's some safe for the family stuff. Fast safety fuse. Pyro torch, well that doesn't sound too safe. Phantom 3D glasses, number sparklers, smokeless celebration candle. How about that? You know, that's pretty cool. The poppers. Oh, Jim, let me tell you something about safety. 96. Okay, so we got a Phantom Fireworks in play. I'll explain to my friend Jim here why Phantom Fireworks is superior to the other fireworks retailers.
It's superior because I'm here.
Oh, see?
She's here. And you're here.
Oh, there you go. See, Jim, what's your problem already? There you go. We're leaving now, Jim. We're leaving the Phantom Fireworks. I got a hot dog at the hot dog stand. And welcome to the 4th of July. Wow, Robert. Look at all I got from Walmart. See, you get a lot for... I got it for like $60, and you had to pay like hundreds. Oh, Jim. I didn't pay that much. I'll tell you that. And everything I got is way cooler. Just you wait. Alright, Robert, let's start with one of mine. This is called Smoke Clouds Fountain. Okay, Jim, sure. Yeah, let's see how cool you really are. Just, let's have our off-camera assistant light things. Oh, yeah. Check this out, Robert.
Okay, let's see what you got for $60.
See, Robert, it's got fire.
Uh-huh. God damn it. Is this what you paid all that money for, Jim?
No, I got a lot more, Robert.
Yeah. Does it do something?
Yeah,
Oh, I know what it does. Yeah, check this out, Jim.
oh, 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 Robert. You can't, Robert, you can't do that.
Oh, can I, Jim?
Oh, Robert, no, this isn't gonna be like the last 4th of July. Oh, I won't let you kill me this time.
Oh, whatever you say, Jim.
Robert, you got my face darkened from that smoke.
Okay, Jim, you just calm down. You can just have a soda. See, I got you a soda.
Oh, thanks, Robert. Maybe oh, jeez, it's gonna be kind of hard, but this is a good soda. How did you know I like orange?
Oh, I just have a knack for these things, Jim. Just go ahead, take a drink. Oh, 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 Jim. Oh, Jim, I'm sorry. I thought it was a real soda. Oh, 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 good grief. Jim, I didn't mean it. It was an accident. Okay, Jim, that's gonna heal your amputated arm, because as you can see, yeah.
Oh, Robert.
Just hang on, Jim. I'm just gonna go ahead and get you set up here.
Okay, Robert. I hope this helps.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, Robert, what the hell?
I didn't know what was gonna happen, Jim. I thought that was a blanket. Look, your hand is around here somewhere. I think it's missing, huh?
I think my hand is melted, you idiot.
Here you go, Jim. Just hold on to that. It'll comfort you.
Robert, okay, I feel a little better. Are you calling 911?
Yeah, I got them on speed dial. I got them on the phone. They're on the line. Just, oh. Okay, yeah, they're on the line, Jim. Sorry, it was your fault, Jim. You lit it up with your negativity. Hey, Jim, what's your favorite planet?
I don't know, Robert. Come on, call the hospital.
Jim, what's your favorite planet?
I don't know, the one with the rings.
Oh, okay, I got a model of that for you.
Here.
Oh, really? You got? Well, thanks, Robert. That's really kind, actually. Hopefully it can bring comfort in these troubled times.
Yeah, it's just. Oh. Yeah, okay, Jim, you keep blowing smoke in my face, Jim.
Hey, Robert, you shouldn't be doing this. It's kind of late. It's kind of late, and they're loud, and it's late.
Get the hell out the way, Jim.
Oh, Robert. Oh.
Damn it.
No. Robert. Oh. Robert, I'm not gonna get out of the way of your tank until you stop this.
Hey, get the hell out the way, Jim.
Oh no. Robert, what are you doing?
That was cool.
No, Robert, no.
Wow.
Robert, stop this madness.
Go.
That was cool.
Hey, Jim, you want to go to outer space, see the planet with the rings in person?
Robert, I think it's Saturn. Robert, I don't want to go up in the sky.
We're gonna have to try that again, Jim. Alright, Jim, maybe this one will be better.
What? Robert, no.
Yeah, we're gonna put you underneath the rocket this time.
Robert, you can't keep doing this.
Oh, can I, Jim?
No. Robert, I'm warning you.
Get ready, Jim. It's the outer space jets.
Oh no, come on.
What the heck is happening? It's a candle. It's a candle. Jim, go.
This is gonna work.
Jim, go check it out.
Robert, I don't know.
Jim, get away from there. Actually, Jim, get closer.
No, Robert.
It's just some kind of candle. All right, Jim. Fiery frog.
No, Robert. Oh no. Robert, please.
Okay, don't worry, Jim. This is like the last one.
Oh shit.
Oh, look. You can see the face, like,
Seeing your frog.
you can see its face sort of lighten up. The eyes and mouth. Oh, Lord. Oh, Robert. Oh, Lord, Jim. That's the end of you.
Wow.
Sayonara, a-hole.
Robert. Oh, please tell me it's over.
No, Jim, it's, no.
Oh my god. Can't wait.
Oh, God, Jim, I don't know if you can see, but Jim is like, his torso is laying just on top of his legs. He's gone, everybody. We're gonna have to continue 4th of July without him. Oh, good one.
Not cool, Robert.
A soldier has fallen this day.
Oh, terrible. Oh,
See, I have.
hey, see?
We had those.
Other
last year.
people are playing with fireworks.
Oh, he's shooting.
Alright, we're gonna light this outer space jet in honor of Jim, who died today like a coward. Nothing else.
A soldier has fallen.
We apologize that it's dark out here, but we're ready. We're just,
Oh, good.
oh, hey. Oh, good Lord. That didn't work well. Here it is. Super surprise.
Oh,
Hey. Cool.
still.
See, Jim? You should have been on one of those, but you didn't even survive long enough. Oh, yeah. Get ready.
Oh, wow.
Neon bottle rocket. There you go, and it's neon.
There it is.
Hey, that was an explosion. Here we go, Jim. This is the Savage Fountain. Oh yeah, that's right. Jim's not here anymore. He's no longer with us. However, that's gonna be it for our 4th of July video. We hope you enjoyed. Here at Slabs 4. And we're gonna be signing out. Enjoy this fountain. And we'll see you next 4th of July. Happy American Independence Day.